I'm Deborah Sapack. I've been here for 10 years, and my role is account manager. My coworkers. Honestly, I mean, we have a good group now. We've had a lot of transition and stuff, but we have a good working relationship. Have a great working relationship with everyone. So I think it's coworkers. It's a lot of hours. I put in a lot of hours, but that's what I really, because they turn into this is the people you spend the most time with. So that's what I really enjoy, actually. Oh, just learning. I mean, Rich is very, he's so tech savvy and everything. And he's like coming up with new things all the time. And we're just like, he's constantly like changing things, the way we do things, the way we're changing fixtures and machining and doing things faster. It's constant learning something new. It's not old school anymore, like how I came up, because I've been doing this since I was 20. That's how old I am. So everything's changing, and we're constantly staying above that and always, changing with the times, which it's really kind of cool. So we've been working on these parts for one of our customers for a long time, and now it's like we have continually changed these parts. We've had problems with them, and it's just like coming up with these new ideas. And now this one that just came off that machine, I was like, holy cow, what a difference. Just changing tool paths and changing things, what a difference it made. So yes. So I'm the one, I talk to a lot of them and keep them happy. I have an outgoing personality with them. I have a good relationship with a lot of our customers. They need me, they call my cell phone. I try to, always talk to them, let them know where their parts are, and try and stay on top of, my customers, as well as helping out Justine or Tyler with other areas type of thing. So, the communication is humongous with customers. You don't communicate, it's not a good thing. So I try to do that daily. So I talk to my customers all the time. That's why I work on Sundays and Saturdays too, making sure spreadsheets are done, they're up to date with all their parts, delivery schedules and things like that. So it's a huge thing. It's just because we're growing, we're changing. The other companies would stay, I would say, stagnant, and we're just going to do it this way. It's just this way we've always done it. We're not going to change anything. And I think this is old school thinking, and it was just the way things were back then. That's the way it was done way back when. In the 90s and things, and there wasn't a different way to do things. We're just going to keep doing it this way. This is how we do it. No, we're going to change things now. We're just going to do it this way. Oh, look, it's faster. Let's build fixtures for this. Let's put parts in fixtures. Let's do this. It's faster. It works, and I think that's, as I'm getting older, I'm seeing it. I'm like, yeah, that's the way to go. That's the way, just knocking down time type of thing, and programming, and there's newer software and stuff to program into the machines, but just think out of the box. Think out of the box, not just, oh no, that's the way we've always done it, so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, go in with an open mind, but you have to work hard at it, and you have to go to, get into a tech school, do that. I mean, I was lucky enough where I didn't go to school for it. I learned from the ground up. I learned from going into a part-time job in the office, and I learned how to read blueprints, and I learned, 30 years ago, how to do all that. I was taught type of thing. You don't get that in college and stuff, but go to a tech school and learn it. And I mean, there's so much you can learn with it, and it's so interesting to see. You take a block of metal and you put it in a machine and what it turns into. It's amazing. So that's what I would do, like just be something different than sitting in, I know I sit in an office, but I don't, because I can go out on the floor and watch my parts be made. Go from the blueprint that I'm looking at, that we're quoting, and going, okay, and then you see this piece of material turn into a light bar for a Navy ship, or something like that. It's really kind of cool type of thing. So that's what I would tell someone. Just, go to school, go to a tech school, learn it, go, and that's what I would do.